When an armored vehicle overturns, the exit for the occupants and access for the rescue forces is a particularly difficult challenge. The best way to cope with such critical situations is training in a controlled and safe environment before it happens. HAANE Welding Systems manufactured a rollover simulator with 2 rotation axes, which is used for vehicle egress training on armored vehicles. For the occupants of the vehicle, the rollover training is an important experience to avoid panic resulting from extreme disorientation and to practice leaving the vehicle quickly and safely. For the rescue forces, egress training is a necessary exercise to be able to open an armored vehicle in any spatial position and to rescue and transport injured passengers. For the vehicle manufacturers, the rollover simulator is an excellent way of checking whether all installed components can withstand the loads of such events in a realistic simulation. Recording sound and film of what has happened inside the vehicle, along with a log of the exact vehicle position and speeds, enables a precise analysis of weak points for further improvement. Rollover simulator for armored vehicle egress training. Built in Germany by HAANE Welding Systems under applicable NATO regulations and EU Machinery Directive.